Hi guys, Gabriel here from Clastify Tutorials. Today we're going through a thing that I know many of you asked us about, how to choose an IA topic. And to make it easier for you, we broke this down into 3 simple steps. Stick around because we've got some practical tips to help you, and after this video you'll have no problem with choosing your own IA topic. Don't forget to leave a comment after you see this and let us know what you think. First things first, as we already said in the series before, roughly 400,000 people do the IBDP every year, and it's totally okay to go through what has been done before and look for inspiration. So all you need to do is to head over to clastify.com and scroll through subjects, ideas and examples. See how these topics are structured and how they should look, because this makes it much easier for you when you know what to expect when choosing your own topic. Remember, a well-prepared topic plays a big role in your IA, but most importantly, you cannot simply copy and paste. This is just a source which will help you to create your own idea. Now, these examples aren't just random. They showcase the right mix of curiosity and academic rigor, something you should aim for in your IA. Step 2, and this can turn out pretty fun, list your hobbies and interests. What are you passionate about? What makes you tick? In which area do you have that unique knowledge that you can brag with? It could be anything from playing sports to exploring the mysteries of the universe. Your IA is a chance to blend your academic journey with your personal interests. Here's the deal. Writing about something that you love is making the whole thing a lot easier. It makes the entire process more enjoyable, and trust me, a happy student is a high-achieving student. Also, this is your chance to get the top score for personal engagement. Now, for step 3, let's talk about finding that sweet spot between uniqueness and familiarity. Let's say someone's explored the elastic potential energy of a shuttlecock. But you're a basketball player, for example, so how can it help you? As an inspiration, of course, because you just got that idea that you can write about the elastic potential of a bounced basketball. See what I'm saying? But remember again, it's not about copying or rewriting anything, because this is plagiarism. It's about getting ideas and making it unique to you. This is exactly where your personal experience and insights come into play. What I want to express here is that you should always try to connect your passion with a particular IA. Obviously, it will not always be possible as you have to write multiple essays, but it's just easier to write about something that you actually love. In the case that I just presented, you can connect the dots with physics. If you're all about plants and experiments, you can go for photosynthesis and biology. And there you have it. 3 simple steps to choose an IA topic that suits you. Remember, it is not a burden, it's an opportunity. It's your chance to explore and showcase your unique perspective and knowledge. So, head over to clastify.com, explore the possibilities and craft the idea of yours. It's totally okay to check what others have done, as the IA is not about uniqueness only, it's about meeting the criteria in the first place. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Clastify wisdom, and share it with, for example, your fellow IB warriors. Until next time, guys, and good luck with your IAs!